we are going to study the gene interaction. What is the gene interaction? The phenotypic expression of a gene can be modified or influenced by other gene. It's called a gene interaction. Suppose there are two characters for the height, tall and dwarf, capital T small t, like this, but one gene can be influenced to other. In F1 hybrid, what we have got, in monohybrid cross, the dominant character like tall is expressed, but in gene interaction, some intermediate product, if there are some genetic interaction in between two genes, there will be medium height of the plant will be produced. This expression is modified or other influenced by other gene is called as genetic interaction. That is called as a genetic interaction or gene interactions. The phenomenon where the effects of one gene are modified by one or several other genes. Okay. All of the genes which are responsible for the changes in between the two genes is called as gene interaction. These are of two types. First is intragenic interaction and second is intergenic interaction, or it is also called as non-allelic interaction. These are the two types, intragenic and intergenic interaction. Now we will see intragenic interaction. Intra means what? Same. Intra means same, and it occurs between the alleles of the same gene is called as intragenic interaction. Capital T, small t, these are expressed the tall character. Okay, but in some cases, instead of this tall or dwarf, there will be intermediate production in between these two genes. Is called as the intragenic interaction. Suppose there are capital T and small t, medium height of the plant will be produced, or if other plant is considered, the in between product will be produced, like this. Intermediate production of these two character or these two gene interactions, that is called as incomplete dominance and codominance. It also occurs between the multiple alleles of the series of a gene. So intragenic interaction is the interaction between the alleles of the same gene occurs on the same chromosome. The genes are the same, but offspring will be shows intermediate production. Now we will see incomplete dominance. What is mean by incomplete dominance? In the incomplete dominance, the alleles of allelomorphic pair express themselves partially, means there is partial expression of the character in between two genes, capital T suppose and small t, they are together, but the offspring shows intermediate partially expression of these two characters. It's called intermediate expression in the F1 hybrid. So there is an intermediate expression of F1 hybrid, and one allele cannot suppress. See, like this. Capital T is more dominant over the recessive character. Okay, it's called as the incomplete dominance. For example, now this intermediate expression we will see the example of Mirabilis jalapa. In the Mirabilis jalapa plant, 4 o'clock, it is also called as a 4 o'clock plant. See the expression, red flowers crossed with white flowers. For the capital R and small r from the white flowers. These are the gametes produced, capital R, small r, but it is with pink flowers. Intermediate production of the flowers is called as a incomplete dominance. Red flower crossed with white flowers and they are produced pink flowers. So this is the example of incomplete dominance. Instead of red color, what it forms? Pink color flower. Capital R, small r is there, but it is of not red color. Capital R red, capital R small r for pink, and small r for white, like this. So genotypic ratio and phenotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. In monohybrid it is 1 is to 3, but in incomplete dominance, the allelomorphic pair expresses the genotypic ratio in the ratio of red, pink and white in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1. It's called as incomplete dominance. Second is the example of codominance. Both the alleles of allelomorphic pair expresses themselves equally in F1 hybrid. In incomplete dominance, the characters are expressed partially, but in codominance, it is equally expressed. Okay, both the alleles express equally in F1 hybrid. This is the important point. When the red color cow is crossed with white color cattle, it is independently expressed in the hybrid. In F1 generation, the characters are expressed equally. Means red hairs and white hairs are in the same quantity or equally in the codominant allele. They are called as codominant alleles, and both the alleles are expressed. Example, coat color in the cattle. See here, red cattle and white cattle. They are crossed. In gametes are produced capital R and W, and in F1 generation roan color cattle is produced, and roan color here is produced means what? Red color hairs equally white colored hair. Both the colors are expressed on the skin color. So it is called as the codominance. It is occur in F1 generation. So this is the second example, crossing of F1 hybrid. Roan color is not crossed with roan color. F1 is crossed with F1 roan colored cow. It gives 1 is to 2 is to 1 ratio. Genotypic ratio also and phenotypic ratio is 1 is to 1 red, 2 roan and 1 white. Genotypic is also 1 is to 2 is to 1. So it is called as the codominance. The difference between incomplete and codominance is partially expression, and here equally expression. It's called as the codominance, and partially expression incomplete. See here, multiple alleles. What are the multiple alleles? More than 2 alternative forms of a gene at the same locus. Here example of Drosophila wing is there. Drosophila fly is given. Alternative forms of a gene from on the same chromosome. The same characters are expressed in different forms. Suppose the wings, they are produced, but here one gene can expressed by the mutation many types. Suppose here height, tall and dwarf only are produced, but in case of multiple alleles on the same chromosome on the same locus is expressed more than 2 types or different types of the normal wings, naked wings, notched wings, strap wings or vestigial wings, like this. It is called as the multiple alleles. In Drosophila colonies, there are mutate several times, producing a series of alternative expression. This is the normal wings, is the wild type, denoted by Vg plus, and by mutation it forms nicked wings, notched wings, strap wings, like this different forms of the wings by the mutation. In 10th standard we have also studied what is meant by mutation, what it means by sudden changes in the chromosome is called as mutation, and by this mutation there are various forms occurs by the mutation in the normal wings. It forms nicked wings, notched wings, strap wings, and vestigial wings. In strap wings, these are the different alleles shows dominant recessive relation or may show codominance or incomplete dominance among themselves. It's called as the dominant and recessive. But in codominance and incomplete dominance, like normal wings only not occurred, only wild type is the dominant over all other mutant alleles, because only these changes are from normal wings. Okay, dominant character normal wings is the wild type, which is the in colony it is called as the dominant type, and by mutation these other are not expressed, and it is denoted by Vg plus. Normal wings are expressed by Vg plus. So example in Drosophila, a large number of multiple alleles are known, and another example of multiple alleles is A, B, O blood grouping in the human beings. Here Vg is the plus is the wild type, and nicked wing, notched wing, strap wing, vestigial wings, these are the mutated types from the wild type. So it is this phenomenon is called as the multiple alleles.